Hey, I'm Matt Barranco, and I'm excited to get a new flavor on my slushie machine. It's been way too long, but I have to be extremely careful. Changing flavors the right ways keeps your machine healthy and your product consistent, and your customers happy. Here's how to change the slushie machine flavor the correct way. Step 1, defrost the barrel. Then once it's defrosted after 5 minutes, you're going to turn it off. We're going to depressurize it by pushing your valve into a bucket. Your product will come out, and once it's depressurized, you're going to loosen the 4 nuts of your barrel. You're going to take off your faceplate, being careful to have a bucket underneath, so when you take the faceplate off, all your product goes into your bucket. You're going to pull out your beater shaft and get it all cleaned out, and then we're going to clean the inside of our barrel. After you clean your parts, we're going to assemble this thing back together by taking our clean beater shaft nice and easily. Then we're going to take our faceplate back on, get it seated flush, put all your washers on and your 4 nuts. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now we're going to go to the back room and change out that bag in the box. All right, once we get our awesome new flavor hooked up in the back room and get the CO2 turned on, we're going to go into our maintenance menu, go down to barrel number 3, and we're going to fill the barrel. Now, while it's filling, we're going to pull the spring-loaded check valve to get the pressure out of it every so often. Okay, we want that barrel about 90% full. Once we get that full, we can turn it on. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to freeze and be ready to serve. When flavor changes and mixings are done right, your slushie machine freezes faster, runs longer, and your product tastes better. If your frozen drink equipment still isn't freezing right, or you want a preventive maintenance plan for all your stores, call Barranco. And watch more Barranco Bros episodes on your YouTube channel for step-by-step fixes. Hey, I'm Matt, and I'm the Beverage Bro.
I'm Mark, I'm a beverage bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now.